us begin.
Wait. What? Now?
Yes, now. Unless you think the great Oogway was wrong and you are not the dragon warrior.
Oh, okay. Well, I don't know if I can do all of those moves.
Well, if we don't try, we'll never know, will we?
Yeah, it's just maybe we can find something more suited to my level.
And what level is that?
Well, I'm not a master, but let's just start at 0, level 0.
Oh, no, there is no such thing as level 0.
Hey, maybe I can start with that.
That? We use that for training children and for propping the door open when it's hot. But if you insist...
Whoa! The Furious Five. You're so much bigger than your action figures. Except for you, Mantis. You're about the same.
Hello, curious minds. Brace yourselves to unravel the secrets of a creature that embodies both grace and stealth. Can anyone venture a guess about the captivating insect we're about to delve into? That's right, guys. This intriguing insect is indeed the mantis. Okay, now join with me, guys. M-A-N-T-I-S. Mantis. Wonderful. Today our voyage guides us through the captivating world of mantises. These intriguing insects, celebrated for their predatory nature and distinctive features, are under our exploration. Can anyone think of any remarkable trait that mantises possess? Precisely. Mantises have evolved specialized front legs that are equipped with spines and powerful grasping abilities, making them efficient hunters. These adaptations are key to their predatory success. Now, let's delve deeper into the captivating world of mantises. Can someone share another intriguing fact? You're absolutely correct. Mantises are adept ambush predators, relying on their camouflage and patience to catch unsuspecting insects off guard. Their hunting strategies are a testament to their ingenuity. Now, who among you can enlighten us about the habitats where mantises can be found? Exactly. Mantises are versatile insects found in a range of ecosystems, including forests, grasslands, gardens, and even urban areas. Now, who can tell us about what mantises eat? You're absolutely correct. Mantises are skilled carnivores, preying on insects and occasionally small vertebrates. Their diverse diet reflects their adaptability and resourcefulness. Can someone share another captivating fact about mantises? Well done. Mantises display distinctive mating behavior, with instances where females consume males after mating. This behavior is a complex part of their reproductive process. Okay, now let's marvel at the vibrant beauty of mantises and continue our journey through the captivating realm of animals. All right, everyone. Shall we head back to the film for another round of excitement? All right, let's go!
Go ahead, Panda. Show us what you can do.
Are they gonna watch, or should I just wait until I get back to work or something?
Hit it.
Okay, yeah, I just ate. So I'm still digesting, so my kung fu might not be as good as later on.
Just hit it.
All right. What you got? You got nothing, because I got it right here. You picking on my friends? Get ready to feel the thunder.
You were there.
Yes, I was.
Okay, everyone. Now, can you tell me which enchanting bird is standing before us? Absolutely. The resplendent bird gracing our discussion today is indeed the peacock. Okay, Now our journey transports us into the enchanting realm of these beautiful birds. First, gather around and let's proclaim that name of this genuinely magnificent being. Come along, everyone. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Good job, guys. Peacocks are renowned for their stunning plumage and unique behaviors. But did you know that peacocks possess some truly remarkable characteristics? Can you mention one of them? Exactly right. Peacocks are celebrated for their striking and iridescent plumage, which takes center stage during their elaborate courtship displays. Now, let's unravel more about the captivating world of peacocks. Can someone share another intriguing tidbit? Spot on. Peacocks are indeed a part of the pheasant family and hail from South Asia. Their vibrant presence adds to the natural beauty of the region. Now, who among you can enlighten us about the courtship rituals of peacocks? Absolutely. Male peacocks engage in elaborate courtship displays, showcasing their vibrant tail feathers in a spectacular fan-like manner to impress potential mates. Now, who can tell us about what peacocks eat? Correct. Peacocks are versatile eaters, feasting on a varied diet that includes plant matter, insects, and even small animals. Their adaptable diet contributes to their survival. Now let's unveil one more interesting fact before we wrap up. Who can tell me? Well done. The iridescence of peacocks' feathers is the product of microscopic crystal-like structures that interact with light, creating their captivating visual effects. This intricate biological detail contributes to their breathtaking appearance. All right, once more, let's take a moment to admire the vibrant splendor of these kind of incredible creatures from our upcoming videos and continue our adventure through the captivating animal kingdom. Now, let's get back into the movie again, shall we?
You just let Shen get away.
At least we destroyed the weapon. Fire! Oh, no, he's got way more.
My wing! Help! Help!
Coming!
Watch out! Help me up! No. Get him down. Use the ropes.
Run, run, little panda.
All right, everyone. That's a wrap for now. Let's catch up in our next video to explore more fascinating animals. Take care, guys. And remember, keep that curiosity alive and never stop learning.